Hello again and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating the Offset Entities tool. To use the Offset Entities tool, what you can do is you can click over here on the Offset Entities button under the Sketch tab. In the Parameters window you'll see there, as usual, dimensions that you can alter. I'm going to offset this entity by 3 millimeters. Now you need to select a line on the sketch to offset, and you'll see here that by clicking this line or any of these lines I get a nice yellow preview of the offset that I want to create. Should you prefer to have the offset on the inside, you can go over here and click the reverse, and that will offset the entity in the other direction. You can also unselect the chain so that you're only offsetting a particular part that you've selected, and you can add your selections by clicking the lines one at a time, or you can select chain and it will join all of those closed vectors together. Once you're happy with the offset, you can go ahead and click the tick or the OK, and you can see now that my sketch has been offset by the amount that I have entered. So that's it. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where I explore some other interesting features of SolidWorks.